Welcome back to Logo Design School. In today's tutorial, I walk you through creating a professional B-letter logo from start to finish. First, I create a box using the rectangle tool and rounded two of its anchor point by selecting them. Then I duplicated the box to make another copy. After that, I made the lower box slightly larger than the previous one. Next, I selected both boxes and increased their stroke to 46 pt. Now it looks like the letter B. Now I will create a curved line using the pen tool. Next, I selected the line and changed its uniform profile. Then using the direct selection tool, I adjust the line properly. Now I selected the curved line, made a copy of it and set its stroke weight to 0 pt. Then I selected this line and placed it on top of the previous curved line. Next, using the selection tool, I selected the two rectangular boxes, go to object, clicked expand and pressed OK. Now I selected the line, go to object and clicked expand appearance. Next, I selected both lines and clicked divide in the Pathfinder panel so that it split evenly through the curved line. Now I selected both lines, go to object, clicked offset path, set the offset to 14 pt and pressed OK. Next, I selected the entire object and removed the unwanted path using the shape builder tool. Now my design is 90% complete. Now I selected the upper part of the letter B and left a small gap from the lower part to make the design look cleaner. Then using the pen tool, I will create two lines, one at the top and one at the bottom of the letter B to make the design even more attractive. Now I applied a dark purple color to the bottom part of the letter B and light blue color to the top part. My design is now fully ready. If you want, you can convert this into 3D using various AI tools. I have a tips for beginners. Instead of depending entirely on AI designs, use your own creativity to craft new designs. If you are a new designer, you can copy my designs to practice. Now I will use Gemini AI to convert this design into 3D. You can also create 3D design using Photoshop with various mocha files. My design is ready now. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more design tips.